A bootable USB drive is an essential tool for installing or repairing Windows. In this video, we will show you how to create a bootable Windows USB drive. You will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of space, and note that everything on it will be erased. The easiest method uses Microsoft's official media creation tool, which you download for free from their website. Run the tool, accept the terms, and choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Select your language, edition, and architecture, then choose USB flash drive as the destination. Plug in your USB drive, select it from the list, and the tool downloads Windows and makes the drive bootable automatically. This takes some time depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Once finished, your USB drive is ready to install Windows on any compatible computer. To use it, restart the PC and boot from the USB by selecting it in the boot menu. A bootable USB is invaluable for clean installs, repairs, and helping friends. Make one and keep it handy for emergencies.